Mastering English phrases, close one's ears to. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make learning English as easy as pie. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, close one's ears to. This phrase might sound a bit strange at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. Let's get started. Close one's ears to is an idiomatic expression. Like many idioms in the English language, it paints a vivid picture to express a concept. To close one's ears to, something doesn't involve physically touching your ears. Instead, it means to ignore or refuse to listen to information, advice, or warnings. To fully grasp how to use close one's ears to, let's look at some examples. Despite the advice from his friends, he closed his ears to their warnings about the risks of investing all his money in one place. You shouldn't close your ears to the constructive criticism your teachers offer. It's meant to help you improve. In these examples, the phrase illustrates a deliberate choice to ignore advice or information that might be beneficial or important. Understanding and using phrases like close one's ears to can significantly enhance your conversational skills in English. It not only makes your language richer but also allows you to express complex ideas in a nuanced way. Moreover, recognizing such idioms in conversation or reading can help you better understand the context and the speaker's or writer's intention. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, close one's ears to. We hope this video has shed some light on how expressive and colorful the English language can be. Remember, idioms like this one add flavor to your conversations and can help you sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to close your ears to negativity as you continue your language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.